Hey gang, welcome to another Taco Tuesday. Today I've got several short mods that I'm combining into one video because some of it was under the dash, not so great lighting, not so great focusing with the autofocus. Again, these videos were done late October. Still learning the camera, so apologize for some of that. I'll edit as much of it as I can. So off we go. Hey guys, next I'm going to be installing the pedal commander, and since it's pretty basic install and under the dash, there's really not going to be anything for me to show you. It's real simple. You unplug the accelerator and plug this in, and then plug it back into the accelerator, and then mount the box. So I will come back on after it's done and mounted. Hey gang, now would be a good time to tickle that like button. It helps with the algorithm and allows more people access to the video, which in turn helps the channel grow. Thanks. Okay guys, got it installed. Nothing really to see, but there she is. So what I did was I set it for city level 1. Holy cow, she really makes a difference. Okay guys, so I spent the whole day, here's what we did. Multiple trips underneath the damn cover to replace that lock. Joy. And I didn't record a lot of stuff just because it was all done inside and it was kind of dark, but as you can see, I have blue footwell lights, front and rear. And then I put in the dash cam. Great view, hey? Focus. So we got that all installed, so I had to take down the headliner, run all that stuff. Okay, so I don't like the factory shifter. It's got the shift pattern on it. Doesn't do very well as far as being a theft deterrent if they know how to shift. So let's swap it out. Okay, so let's get started. It's relatively easy. A little counterclockwise twist gets the boot down, and you take off the knob. Real simple. I bought a blue swirl shift knob, a white opaque shift knob that glows in the dark, and then I bought this one. It's a blue carbon fiber, and I really like it. So what I'd have to do is take out the console, flip it up. There's a zip strip that holds that chrome piece on, and then you can see there's a ridge in that blue shift piece that you just put the boot liner in there and then re-zip strip it so it looks all one piece and factory. But for whatever reason, this isn't fitting. So I wonder if you guys can see the problem. Leave a comment down below as to why this isn't working, because the other two shift balls fit just fine. Look, can you see it? Did you? Just wait a minute, we'll see it again. See if you can figure out why this doesn't fit. Look at it. Leave a comment down below. See if you would have figured out the frustration before I did. Okay, so the brainstorm, I've got thread gauges there. trying to figure out the thread size, because I'm going to use my dies and thread it down, because you can see that there's maybe 1/4 inch, maybe a little less, that I could rethread, figuring I could get that blue piece down a little bit and then the shift ball will fit. Okay, I got the correct die for the threads that are already there. And again, I'm gonna let this run a bit. And again, leave me a comment whether you like or dislike my die threading techniques or whatever. But have you been able to figure out why it's not fitting? Again, the other two balls fit just fine with that blue adapter piece. I'm racking my brain here and I can't figure it out. Now, if you'd figured out already what the problem is, and you're laughing at me, thanks a lot. I love you too. But I eventually figured it out. And this is where I'm going to ask what I normally don't ask, is that if you like this video, even if it's just to laugh at my stupidity, hit that subscribe button. And again, leave a comment. I'd like to know your thoughts on what you're thinking about what I'm doing here. Yeah, I put on a glove just to give me a better grip on the parts, thinking that I just needed like a pubic hair more distance to get the threads to grip. So for those of you that have watched this far and can't figure out what the big deal was, if you noticed earlier on that blue carbon fiber ball, there was this big black piece on the bottom. It was like a spacer. That's why the other two balls would fit with that blue adapter piece, but this one didn't. What I eventually ended up doing, because I really like that carbon fiber, is I'm going to use that one. So I took a grommet and I put the grommet inside the little clips of that chrome piece to help hold it up and in place, and that's what I'm running with now.